OnePlus has confirmed that the OnePlus Nord 6 will launch in India, with the full details set to be announced on April 7th. The OnePlus Turbo 6 could arrive here as the OnePlus Nord 6, which would be the brand's next big push in the upper mid-range segment. A 6.78-inch 165Hz AMOLED panel with 1.5K resolution and 1800 nits peak brightness, and a dual rear camera unit comprising a 50-megapixel primary camera and an 8-megapixel secondary sensor. A 16-megapixel front-facing camera. The phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, led by a Cortex-X5 core clocked at up to 3.2 GHz. Include 8GB or 12GB of LPDDR5X RAM with 256GB of UFS 4.1 storage. The Nord 6 is equipped with a 9000 mAh battery based on silicon carbon technology, with 120W wired fast charging support. The device is expected to be priced between 35,000 Indian rupees and 40,000 Indian rupees and is positioned around performance, gaming, and battery capacity. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.